Hello, friends. Today, you will learn how to control your costs so that your business can quickly reach the point where it makes just enough money to cover its costs and eventually grow smartly, increasing its value. For the sake of simplicity, assume that one pack of powders, which we will call 1 unit, has a sales price of Rs. 100. When you sell 1 unit of powders for Rs. 100, the cost of materials is Rs. 66. Also, add Rs. 7 for packing and another Rs. 4 for transporting and distributing the powders. Plus, Rs. 2 goes to marketing and advertising. So, your variable costs, which change with the number of powders you sell, are about Rs. 79 for each unit of powders. Now, let's look at the fixed costs that stay the same no matter how many units of powders you sell. When you sell a unit of powders for Rs. 100, set aside Rs. 0.5 for renting the factory space and another Rs. 0.5 for utilities like electricity and water, and up to Rs. 3 for paying your workers, in case you are hiring external labor. If you take out a loan, include an additional Rs. 1 for the interest you have to pay. All this adds up to around Rs. 5 of fixed costs for each unit of powders. When you add up both the fixed and variable costs, it costs you Rs. 84 to make each unit of powders which is sold for Rs. 100. This means you make a profit of Rs. 16 for each unit of powders. However, you may have to pay Rs. 5 in taxes, so after taxes, your profit is around Rs. 11 per powders. This is a simple way of saying that your net profit margin is 11%. Now, for the planning part. You have two choices: either reinvest some of your profit back into the business or use the money for yourself. It's wise to put half of your profit, which is Rs. 5.5, back into the business for things like stock. Then, you can use the other Rs. 5.5 for yourself or other purposes. To make a profit quickly, try to reduce your fixed costs. Use your own shed for making the powders instead of renting a place. In the beginning, have family members help you to save on worker costs. Use your own money, or get help from friends, family, and business partners, instead of taking loans. This way, you won't have to pay regular interest. Offer them a share of the profits instead of a fixed payment. If you keep these costs low, you might start making a profit by the second month. When your customers like your products and your business grows, you'll need more money to run it. You'll have to buy more materials, make more products, and have enough money for finished goods and credit for stores. This is where having enough working capital is important. It helps your business grow. You can get this money from banks or local groups, but using your own earnings is the cheapest way. By keeping and reinvesting half of your profits into the business, you do two things: you have more working capital to work with, and you increase the value of your business. When you reinvest, you can handle bigger orders and keep more stock. This leads to more business and, as a result, increases the value of your business. Let's look ahead. If you continue to grow the number of stores, your business could be worth Rs. 65 to Rs. 70 lakhs at the end of the first year. The value of your business can become Rs. 1.2 to 1.6 lakhs if you work double shift in second and third year. The more money you put back into your business, the more credit you can get, the more you can sell, and the higher your business value will go. All the best.
Please like, share, subscribe to Vyapara Coach channel.